Alright, so to prep the hair for installation, all you need is conditioner and your Denman brush. You do not need to shampoo this hair. Since it's curly hair, conditioner is just fine. So make sure you get the hair nice and wet and saturate the hair with the conditioner so all the conditioner can get in all the places of the hair. Rub it in and then take your time with your Denman brush and brushing the curls out. Start with the tips and then work your way up into the roots. Just keep brushing until you're able to run the brush all the way through from top to bottom. Alright, once you're done with that, just rinse it out. And then after you rinse out the conditioner, run the Denman brush through the hair a couple more times and you should be good. This is how much hair that I lost with all the bundles that I did to comb them out. And then I let them air dry. I actually took hangers to hang pants that are like stacked, and I hung them on there, and I let them dry overnight. Okay, so while I get my edges down, let me show you guys what I have here. So these are the 2 bundles of the clip-ins. And I let them air dry overnight. This is how they are, just naturally dry. Looks exactly like the texture of my hair. So all the 4B, 4C girls, this is all for you. So they look great. They were easy to comb out when I was conditioning, and they're soft, extra soft. Like when you get them in the package, they're like, I don't know how to explain it, but they're like a little crunchy. But then as soon as the water hits it and you put conditioner, it like gets so like soft. Like this is like so buttery soft. So I'm excited to put these in. This is the longer bundle. There's 2 lengths, so this is the longer bundle. So we'll put this one in first. Okay, so I actually last night conditioned my hair and put what brand is it? Some kind of pudding, curl pudding on my hair, and then did just some twists. I think with these could be, yeah, flat twists. So these are flat twists in my hair. And then I put argan oil on top of it. I did it just because, you know, like even though the clip-ins are the texture of my hair, I still wanted to make sure that my hair had some kind of curl pattern, so that they can just be ready for it. So let me just untwist these. I should have oil in my hands, but I have already gotten up and down so many times to film this video, so I'm not getting up anymore. It's 5 a.m. on a Sunday, and you got church in the morning. And you just came from the after party, trying to make nothing into something. No one I taught you the wrong way. Okay, so I have the first bundle in, and honestly, like, it's more than enough hair. Like, I still have the whole second bundle to put in, so just having one bundle is more than enough hair, so this is good. So far so good. Looks just like my hair. Everything is blending in nicely, so let's keep going. So I have one more of the longer bundle to put in, so I think I'll put it in on this side, yeah. So there's actually many ways to like put in clip-ins. I'm just doing it one way. Next time I can show you guys a different way, because I was even debating like which way did I want to do for the first time I try this. So this is the way that I want to try. So next time I can show you guys a different way to put it in. So I'm kind of like curving my parts now. Okay, so I decided to take this one out and then make it like put it in backwards so that I can have like a nice little bang here. So I parted my hair like this way. Here's my part here, part it this way, and then I'm gonna put it in. Instead of putting it in like that, I'm gonna put it in like this, okay? So I'm gonna try to do this in the camera. Oops, wrong way. It's just hard to do this in the camera.
I don't want us to talk no more. And since you came all the way, baby, you gotta get what you came for. So baby girl, I can't show. Do you not know I hold it though? Better not wait till I'm all over. Better not act like you never know. Back up your waist, oh baby, shake it. Your body make me complicated. You know be regular, I can't relate it. Your body make me complicated. Alright, on the replay, Mr. DJ, make everybody start to this shit. On the replay, Mr. DJ, make everybody start to this shit. Coco below, Kajo Majo, very mole, Kamajo love. Coco below, Kajo Majo, very mole, Kamajo love. Hey. Let me
check me out. It's your boy DJ KB and you rockin' right now with DJ KB.